Welcome to Alco Disposal, your trusted partner for dumpster rental in Brick, New Jersey. At Alco Disposal, we offer a range of dumpster sizes for residential and commercial needs. Whether you are planning a home renovation or a construction project, our dumpsters are designed to handle debris of all kinds. We are committed to providing top-quality dumpsters that are durable and well-maintained. Our containers adhere to the highest standards so you can safely dispose of your waste. Our friendly team is here to make your dumpster rental experience smooth and hassle-free. We are dedicated to ensuring your satisfaction and are always available to answer any questions or concerns. At Alco Disposal, we are committed to environmentally friendly waste management solutions. Our responsible disposal practices contribute to a cleaner, greener community. We make it convenient for you with timely delivery and flexible pickup schedules. Our team ensures that your dumpster is placed precisely, minimizing any disruptions to your project. Ready to simplify your waste disposal with Alco Disposal? Contact us today at 732-349-5658 or visit our website at www.alcodisposal.com. Dumpster Rental Brick, NJ, to book your dumpster rental. Choose Alco Disposal for reliable dumpster rental services that make every cleanup project more efficient.